Oak Grove Primary School, and they're coming up the home straight. What will it sound like to you? How are you going to cheer them on? I can't hear you. Mr. Feeney, I would like to thank Mr. Feeney and the teachers that's going to be looking after these for taking part in this. This is going to be a very big event. There's going to be 800 children taking part in this event, and these are part of it. So Mr. Feeney, thanks very much. Thanks to Harry coming up as well today.
Okay, maybe there'll be primary ones and twos. That means that you have to be very. So just before we finish, I'd just like to thank Noel and Hospice Harry for coming here today. To tell you all about the School Olympics event. And the children in this school are very good at helping out Noel and Hospice Harry. They're very good. If we ask them to help out at something, they always give us a great response. And they've helped lots of people during this year. They've helped St. Vincent de Paul, and they've helped lots of other organisations. Children in Crossfire, people who need our help. So boys and girls, Boyd Hospice really need your help at this time. And I know you'll do your best to help out, won't you? So we'll talk to you about sponsorship forms. Your teacher will talk to you about sponsorship forms later on. Is that okay? And we'll all do our best. So we'll give Noel and Hospice Harry a big applause. We're going to leave the hall now very quietly because Hospice Harry is very shy, as you know, and we don't want to frighten Hospice Harry, do we? So we're going to go out very quietly. So maybe if we start moving there from the back now and outside.